Pooh. Assalamu alaikum, we're going to do the reaction back with other reaction. If you question me like 1 week, for my friends, it is like come to me and ask me. So thank you for this, and you know who you are. So catching me to be like Judy and the Mets. And I love dogs. I love dogs. I love dogs, and like my big like dream to have many dogs. So this performance, like I have no idea. If I watching this, I don't remember. It is like 2015. Yeah, 15, 15. 15 2015. So it is like it's a beautiful talent, like you can see, like you can read. So welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, check my gaming channel for reaction, it is here, and my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, everything for raw peace up for me. So you want me to start this reaction, so thank you for asking me, because I love dogs. I love dogs. It's me. I love dogs, so I can't wait to see how much this is good. So like family, to peace love from me. Thank you. So it is coming now. It's so loud. I'm mad. I don't see that. No, I don't see that. I see it. I don't remember. I don't remember.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Your name is?
Jules.
And
Jules.
This is Matisse.
Matisse.
Hello, Matisse.
Oh, Matisse, I say right, his name right. I love it.
Who's a good boy?
Good boy. Good boy.
So tell me about Matisse.
Simon.
Matisse is a teddy bear. From the first second he
Matisse.
was born, I fell in love with him and I had to have him.
We are all
I just
fall
felt there was
in love
something
with
special
him.
about this dog.
Matisse.
So you got a real bond.
I have absolutely a real
Matisse,
bond.
you are amazing.
And what's the dream?
I would
Oh,
love to make
cute.
a
They
children's
want to
series
have it.
where Matisse is a hero.
It is a hero.
wow.
Yeah, it is a
Okay.
hero now.
Well, good luck.
Thank
For
you very
being
much.
here.
Thank you. Come.
Come here. Oh, wow. Oh man, I can't wait to see this. Like, I remember like really like having.
Running away.
Don't let it get you.
Yeah, this my like making oh man, oh Betty. I love that. Wow. Oh man, it's back. Oh yeah, it's back. Oh. Ooh, run! Ooh. Funny. Oh wow! Wow.
Shacks him now.
Oh, that's so cute. That's
He's
so
put
cute.
it a halt
The
to
neck
that.
is wow. Oh man. Oh man. I can't believe it, but like you can train it like a dog like this, doing like this, like wow. Wow, training dogs like this, like unbelievable, like how is it? Oh my god.
See the dog catch his
Oh my
legs
God.
all along?
I honestly,
Oh my God.
I kind of felt like I was 9 years old again. I just bought into him and to you,
Yeah.
but it was a faultless story.
Yeah,
and
so
routine. Well done.
so great. So amazing. So amazing.
Oh, what a gorgeous dog
gorgeous.
have.
Yeah,
You're so
and
lucky.
cute
You've done
and
a brilliant job with him, and I
lucky.
loved it. It was fantastic. Well done.
Simon now.
The
Not
relationship
Dave.
between the two of you reminds me a lot of me and Simon.
I was wait for Simon because
It
wow,
was really
dog!
joyous, and I like that you told a story, and we were involved, and
Everyone
it was
loves
a very
dogs.
clever routine, and you
Simon
portrayed
like
your dog
something
absolutely beautifully, and he's
special, right?
Thank you.
About
Thank
dogs.
you.
I know how difficult this is because
Yeah,
I have two
difficult.
dogs called Squiddly and Diddly, and it took me a year to get one of them to put his paw up, and I thought that was a result.
Yeah, it's very
But he
true.
is actually, I
So-
think, the smartest dog I've ever seen.
Smart, so much
Okay,
smart.
David, yes or no?
It's a yes from me.
Oh my god, if you say no,
It's a yes for
I
me.
don't remember. Yes, Felicia,
Amanda.
Amanda, yes. And Simon, you are there.
Jules, and more importantly, Matisse, you have 4
And
years.
Matisse, oh! So cute, I swear. Oh my god, this is amazing. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
What a lovely dog.
Lovely, sweet kid. So cute. So it is 2015, this edition. Like I wanted to show you this love because I see this before, but I remember same like not so much, but so great to show this reaction for you. And I love dogs, like you can see. I'm big fan of dogs and all my life love dogs. So this make me be like, oh my god, so much. So if you love this reaction, so you can subscribe, like, comment, share this video as you can. Big love for me. So see you in next video, inshallah. Thank you for watching. It is magic to gun now. It is not work. I need to do this with my hand.